So in this video, we're going to look at taking a component from the dcx-react-library and applying some styling to the component using the library's design system. So here I have an example React app up and running. We'll start by installing the dcx-react-library, and we're going to use the button component as an example here. So we'll import the button and we will add in that button and call it submit. So here we have the button component pulling through from the dcx-react-library, but with no styling at the moment. And what we want is for this button to look like this nice styled button from W3 Schools. So I'm going to navigate through the documentation and find the button design system playground. And here we have an opportunity to play around with the styling for the button. So if we change this to green, we can see what the button would look like. Green or yellow. And we can toggle available tokens to see all of the tokens that can be applied to the button. So we can see the border radius, we can see the text color, anything you might want to change in the styling. So if we change this background color back to green and we want to apply that within our project, the first step is to import the design system CSS file, and then we can start applying these tokens in our CSS file. So I copy this token, we can set it as green and import our CSS file here. And now we have that nice green button. But we're still turning blue on hover. So I can go back and look through all of the token names and get an idea of whatever styling we might want to tweak. So I'm just going to update this with some more tokens and the correct green color. And now we can see that that button is looking much more like this W3 Schools button. So also with the design system, we can combine this styling with class-based styling. So if we are wanting to specifically alter this button outside of the design system, we can add a class name, call it submit button, and in our CSS file, we can apply styling to this specific class. Let's say width 120. What this means is that you can have an overall design system for your app that is consistent throughout, but you can also tweak it for specific components. So we can have two buttons here, one submit button and one enter button with slightly different styling, but still the same consistent design system.